So good morning everyone. So our next problem is third one. So what is that? D, F and BE are the heights on the sides of AB and AD respectively in a parallelogram ABCD. If the area of a parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square, AB is equal to 35 centimeters, AD is equal to 49 centimeters. Find the length of BE and DE. So we have to find the length there. So already they have given the area value. So one more height is this one. Here it is 49 centimeters. F. Okay. So what they told, DE and BE are the heights. D, F and BE. These two are heights, and what are the base? For this height this is the base, and for this height this is the base. Okay, so already they have given the area of a parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square. AB is equal to 35 and AD is equal to 49. Find the length of BE and DF. So what we have to find? We have to find the length of the heights here. So that is DE, DF and BE. These height values we have to find. Okay, so already you know the area of a triangle, so no need of finding any length value and breadth value. So we have to find directly height value. So already we know here, given area of parallelogram as 1470 centimeters square. So they have given the area. By using this area we have to find these height values. So I am taking this height as H1 and this one I am taking it as H2. So first I am taking the base value and height value. So first I am finding this height. I am taking this one as H1 and this one as H2. So I am finding the height one. So for this height one, this is the base one, and for this height 2, this is the base 2. Okay, so first I am using height 1 and base 1. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is, what is the formula? That is base into height. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. So that is, so you write the details first. Base 1 they have given as 35 centimeters and height 1 we have to find. So I am taking it as H1 only. Okay, now by using these two we have to find the height value. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base 1 into height 1 is equals to 1470 centimeters square. So area of a parallelogram formula is this, base into height. So what is the base 1? That is 35 centimeters into height 1 we have to find, that will be equals to 1470 centimeter square. Okay, so now I am transposing this 35 to other side, so that will be converted into division. So H1 is equals to 1470 centimeters square by 35 centimeters. So centimeter will get cancelled, and in 35 table how many times it will go? It will be in the form of 42 times. 35 ones are 35, 42s are. So height 1 is how much? 42 centimeters you got. Okay, now we have to find the height 2 value. So already they have given area is equals to 1470 centimeters square. Base 2 value we know it as 49 centimeters. Height 2 we have to find, so I am taking it as H2 itself. Okay, so now what is area of a parallelogram? That is base 2 into height 2 is equals to 1470 centimeters square. This area of a parallelogram value they have given as 1470 centimeters square. Okay, so what is the base value? Base value is 49 centimeters into height 2 is equals to 1470 centimeters square. I am transposing this 49 to other side. So H2 is equals to 1470 centimeters square by 49 centimeters. Centimeter will get cancelled. 49 ones are 49. 30s are. So what is the height 2 value? You got it as 30 centimeters. So this is how you will find when they give directly area value. Just we have to find any one of the value, that is base or height. So by using this in this way you will solve the problems. Okay. So next one is so what is the fourth one here? So what is the fourth one? The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of the base. They have given the height value as 1/3 of the base. So they are telling about a height, but they didn't mention anything about base. So that base value will take in the form of x there. Okay. So if the area of a parallelogram is 192 centimeters square, find its height and base. So what we have to find, by given information you have to find the height value as well as base value. So they didn't mention anything about base, so I am taking the base value as b. Okay, so I am taking it as base value as b, or you can take it in the form of x itself. Okay, any alphabet, because it is an unknown value. Next, they told about height as the height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. Okay, that means 1/3 of is nothing but multiplication, base value is x, so that will be x by 3. So height value you got as h by 3 and base value is x. And area of a parallelogram value they have given as area of parallelogram value they have given as 192 centimeter square. Okay, now what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height is equals to this value. Base value is x, height value is x by 3 is equals to 192 centimeter square. Multiply the terms. X into x is x square by 3 is equals to 192 centimeter square. Transpose this 3 to other side. So x square is equals to 192 into 3. So x square is equals to 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 will be 5. So you got as 576 centimeter square. So x will be equals to square root of 576 square. What is the square root of 576? 24. 24 is 576. So 24 square you can write. So square and 24 square root will be get cancelled. So x value is how much now? 24. So you got the x value as 24. X is nothing but base value. So base value you got it as 24 centimeters. Now height we have to find. So what is the height here? Height is x by 3. So x is nothing but 24 by 3. 3 1s are 3 8s are. So height value is how much? 8 centimeters. So this is our fourth solution. So once again you see here, base value they have given as x, height value they told that it is 1/3 of its base. So 1/3 of is nothing but multiplication and base value is x here. So 1 into x will be x by 3. So height value you got as x by 3. And also they have mentioned that area of a parallelogram is 192 centimeters square. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height is equals to 192 centimeters square. So base is x, height is x by 3, 192 centimeters square. X into x will be x square by 3 is equals to 192. 3 I am transposing to other side, that will be in the form of multiplication. So here that will be x square is equals to 576. If you multiply this you will get as 576. So 576 square numbers, 576 is a square number. So which two common factors you will multiply to make that square number? So that will be 24 square. 24 into 24 will be 576. So 24 square I wrote. This square root will be get cancelled. So x value is how much? 24. So x is nothing but the base value. So base value you got as 24 and height value is 8 centimeters. So this is our fourth solution. Okay, so next one, fifth one. So what is fifth one now? In a parallelogram, the base and height are in ratio 5:2. So what is that? They have given in the form of ratios. The base ratio is 5 and height ratio is 2. If the area of a parallelogram is 360 meter square, area of a parallelogram they have given as 360 meter square. Find the base and height value. So we have to find the base value and height value here. So what is the ratio they have given? Given ratio of base and height of parallelogram. So what is the base and height of a parallelogram? They have given in the form of 5:2. Okay, so these are only the ratios. The answers will be in the form of that multiples they are telling. Okay, so we can take the base as 5x and height as 2x. Okay, so now area of a parallelogram value they have given as area of parallelogram value, how much they have given? That is 360 meters square. Okay, so what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height is equals to 360 meters square. So base value is 5x into height value is 2x is equals to 360 meters square. Okay, so 5 2s is 10x square is equals to 360 meters square. So if I transpose this 10 to other side, that will be converted into division. So x square is equals to 360 by 10. 10 ones are 10 36. So x square value you got it as 36 meters square. So again here 36 is a square number. So which two numbers you will multiply to make it as 36? That will be 6 into 6. So if I transpose this root square to other side, that will be in the form of square root. 36 can written in the form of 6 square. Okay, so square root will get cancelled. So x value is how much here? 6. X value is 6. Now what we have to find? We have to find the height and base value. So base value already they have given as 5x and height value they have given as 2x. Substitute this x value here now. So base is equals to 5x, that is 5 into 6, that will be equals to 30 meters. So base value is how much? 30 meters. Now height we have to find. So height they have given as 2x. So 2 into 6, that will be equals to 12 meters. So this is our base value and height value. So very simple problems. If you know the formula, you can just we have to substitute it. So this is our fifth one. So last one in this exercise. Okay, so what is last one? A square and a parallelogram have the same area. A square and parallelogram is having the same area. So what we have to find, the side of a square is, if the side of a square is 40 meters and the height of a parallelogram is 20 meters, then find the base of a parallelogram. So what we have to find? We have to find the base of a parallelogram. And what is a given important matter there? That is a square and parallelogram have same area. They are having the same area it seems. So area of a square will be equals to area of a parallelogram. And what they have given? They have given the information as given side of a square as 40 meters and height of a parallelogram they have given as height of a parallelogram is equals to, what is the height of a parallelogram? That is 20 meters. So what we have to find? We have to find the base value. So I am taking that as B only. Okay, and what is a given important information? That is the area of square is equals to area of parallelogram. Okay, so they have given as area of a square is equals to area of parallelogram. So what is the area of a square formula? That is side into side is equals to area of a parallelogram is base into height. Okay, so side into side value already they have given as 40. So what you will write here, 40 meters into 40 meters is equals to base is how much? That is 20. So 20 meters into height. Okay, now you transpose this 20 to other side. So h is equals to 40 meters into 40 meters by 20 meters. Okay, now here meter will get cancelled. 20 ones are 22s are. So height is how much? 2 into 40 will be 80 meters. So you got the height value as 80 meters. So this is our last question in the exercise 2. So once again see this, they have given side of a square as 40 meters and height of a parallelogram as 20 meters. We have to find the base value, and what is the given important information, that is area of a square is equals to area of a parallelogram. Okay, what is area of a square? That is s into s is equals to what is area of a parallelogram? That is base into height. Okay, so side value already they have given us 40. So 40 into 40 is equals to 20 into height. Now transpose this 20 to other side, that will be divided, that will be in the form of division. So meter will get cancelled. 20 ones are 22s are is 40. So height is how much? 240 is 80 meters. So height value you got as 80 meters here. So with this our exercise 2 is completed. So in next class we are going to learn about area of triangle. So what is the formula of area of a triangle and how we got that formula we will learn, and based on this area of a triangle we are going to start our exercise also. So tomorrow we will start this area of a triangle. Till then, thank you.